Are you sick and tired of scrolling through long articles and having to read the entirety of what they say? Good, I am too. Are you also someone who's sick and tired of all of the different articles that your boss asks you to read and you want to be done with them in a few minutes? Yeah, that's me. The fact of the matter is I know exactly what you're going through. And that's why here at Bardeen, we've actually made this a really simple and easy process. All you need to do is install our Chrome extension, click on it, or use Option B to open it up, and then use one of our pre-made playbooks and click on Summarize Current Page. And in a few moments, it will convert the page into HTML, extract that HTML so that your OpenAI integration will then turn it into nice summarized text. Do you see this? This is an article about Zapier versus Bardeen. And if you notice, it's not nearly as long when I download it as the article is. This article is a long article, and I kind of just want the overview of what's the difference between these products. I don't want to go through all this text. Who wants to do that? But the good news is, with our product, you can do this with more than just our wonderful blogs we make here at Bardeen. In order to make this happen, all you need to do is type into our magic box, summarize current page with AI. And then our magic box assistant will build an automation for you just like the one I just used. And you can see it's going to get the HTML of my current web page, convert the HTML into plain text, and summarize the plain text using AI. Now, if I also wanted to, I can add it to something like Airtable or a Google Sheet. So for example, with Airtable, I could add data to an Airtable base that I have called Summarize Article Review. Summarized articles would be the view, and I can map the fields. So for example, what I could do is I could get it from a previous action. So the title could be the website title. The summary from the previous actions could be the OpenAI option right there. And then if I wanted to add more, I absolutely could. But for me, this is good enough. I just kind of care about the website title, the action. And then maybe if I wanted to add a URL, I could too. I could add something like a URL, like the website URL inside of here to where the summary is right here. Okay, let's refresh the Airtable base to get that website URL. And then from there, I can simply press save, add it to my manual option, then press save and run, and it'll actually run on this Zapier versus make no code automation comparison. Give it a moment and it will add it to the Airtable base after it finishes the good old summarization with AI. Okay, now if I click view, it'll bring me to here. Look at that, it added the Zapier versus make title, it added the summary in its completion, and it added the link right here. So quick, simple, easy to do. There's nothing quite like summarizing articles with AI using Bardeen. So if you want to save a bunch of time, make sure to try out our Chrome extension today and get started summarizing articles just like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Appreciate your time, and we will see you in the next one.